Hello. So this is our platform AIChecker Pro. You can use this platform to detect your content or to humanize your AI written content. You just simply have to come to this platform and simply just sign in with your email ID. Or if you don't have your email ID, you can just simply sign up. You just simply have to write your name, your email ID, and you have to just set your password. Then just simply click on sign up. Then you will receive a OTP on your entered email. Simply paste the email and you will get logged in. So now you can take any AI written content to just check. You have to just go to the detector, take any AI written content, hit the detect AI text, and it will tell you how the content is AI written. Just simply click on the humanize to humanize that content, and you will get the whole human written content. Now you can simply detect the content again, and it will show you 100% human written. Similarly, you can humanize any AI written content. You just have to upload or paste your content here, hit the humanize button, and it will convert whole AI written content into a human written content. You just simply copy it from here or directly click here, check for AI. And it will detect and it will tell you that the content is human written. This, this platform is very helpful for the students, educators, and content writers. They can simply humanize their content or detect the AI written content. It's a simple process just to paste the content. Click on the humanizer and you can get your content.
Thank you for watching. I hope this educational guide helped. Please subscribe for more tutorials.